quick video to kind of show a little bit more on the Trample, made by RGT. It's their newest rock crawler. It's got a Jeep Gladiator body on it. And we're comparing it with the Jeep 86100 RGT, kind of a common one that a lot of people have seen or own. So kind of show the differences with those two.
So we're going to kind of race these around a little bit here. I'm driving one-handed so I can video, but just to kind of get a comparison. It's her Jeep, and that's my Trample, and these are both stock just right out of the box, both running NiCad. So you can see the difference there. Trample's got a little longer wheelbase. Definitely has a little bit bigger tire on it.
Little.
But
Sunny.
Just trying to run around and see what they look like. We have noticed too that the Trample definitely has a better steering radius. We're gonna try her here, so ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Are we racing somewhere? We didn't come up with a track. Yours is faster. I thought mine was. But is mine running peak performance?
Oh. But Trample's got a little more giddy up and go, which it does have a 550 motor instead of a 390 motor, so.
Ah! Ran over your tires.
Okay, so this is full turn on her Jeep. That's as tight as it'll go. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the Trample here.
A lot tighter. Like by 50%?
Yeah, it's definitely a lot smaller circle. I don't think there's too much comparison there.
No, the Tramples. Which there are some things on the 86100 that you can do to correct that. I've just been leaving it stock for some of the initial stuff, and then yeah, we're gonna do some work on that.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Does that mean I lost?
That means you lost, and I never hit the trigger.
No, you didn't.
Let's do her again. 1, 2, 3. We're just going to try to do a follow the leader thing here on the track. Just as a comparison, so I'll let her go first, and I'm just going to follow her.
I can't remember which the better path for mine. Never make that turn.
You made that turn.
Never make that turn when I need to.
You made that turn. Oh, you saved it. I have learned that this is kind of a hard spot for her Jeep. The turning radius is very, very, very poor on that thing.
Have you even tried to see if you can get it to do it?
I haven't never tried yours on it.
That's the way to do it.
See, you mirror and you, yeah. That link fell off again.
Did it? Yeah, it did.
Got a little bit of dangle going on.
Dangling's no good on this course.
Nope.
I'm not sure I'm hitting it. Hopefully you did. This where a drone would be nice. You just put it right above it and leave it.
Yeah, if only we had 3.
I know. This is where I should have been watching.
Really easy. Sometimes you hit those little stobs just wrong. That articulation.
With the back.
Running that puppy up over the tree there.
Jeez. Don't step on my Jeep.
I mean, look at that.
That's the way to go around a tree.
Yep.
Mishka, over there. Come here. Everyone's staring.
Perfect. But she's learned it. Her mirror, a lot of times she can just drive down her with her on her mirror. You're on it. You're.
No, I'm in between it.
I definitely kind of call that cheating, but it does work.
Hey, it got there.
I don't think you can recover that.
Don't fall on mine. Done.
Pretty good truck. Like I said, it definitely does have a few little issues, like those end links popping off there, 4-link popping off.
Price of a Traxxas.
Yeah, well, this was at this time I think it was around $250 for this one, which isn't bad. Yeah, half the price of a Traxxas. That's pretty good. So. Like I said, she's already got an email to the company about the broken mounts, and I think she mentioned the radio in here, that it's not the radio that's supposed to be in there. But so we'll post what happens on that, good or bad. So hope you like this video, and we'll definitely have some more. Especially if we have anything break, tear up, we notice anything different. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.